Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Look what came in the mail last night or yesterday evening. This is a Meroca hydraulic brake set, front and rear. Now the master cylinder lever arm looks pretty nice. Looks like a well-built unit, except for these scratches right here. See these? Not too happy with that. You see those? I think a little bit of paint will cover that up. But can you imagine they ship it in a bag and the bag gets all beat up? You don't want your levers on your bike dinged up. I'm liking the look of these M4 4-piston calipers. 4 nice little pistons. Comes with these conical, these brackets have tapers and they have conical seat washers. So that means the little bit of irregularity that you have because some bikes are not machined properly, and the caliper, as soon as you tighten down, you notice your caliper has a little rock to it. And then the pads don't wear even. That should take care of that. Now, one of my cables is too short. I'm going to have to buy a cable kit and change it. That's one reason you don't want to go this route, if you want just something that's just nice and easy. Now, I do like the feel. The feel, it only moves that far. Take a look, and you can feel the pads nice and firm. I'm looking forward to getting them on the bike. It's a 1 or a 2 finger pull. Supposed to be able to stop the bike with 1 finger, which is nice, or 2, your choice. But it's like for downhill mountain bikes. I think it'll be plenty for the Lectric XP 2.0. All in all, they look pretty nice. This one took a little ding, got dinged on transportation too. I wish they would have packaged it in a nice box. Since we're converting this hydraulic brake set to an e-bike, I did order a set of sensor switches. These sensor switches use a little magnet. So I'm going to have to fabricate something to get these magnets to trip, so you can turn off your electric motors. It's too bad I couldn't find one that was pre-done, but you know what? I'm kind of in the mood to be tinkering with something, so I'm going to be tinkering with that. So I just thought of something, guys. Like touching up furniture. Now I've got a bracket coming and a 203 millimeter front rotor that hopefully will move the caliper up high enough and move it out of the way. That way I'm hoping to gain a little bit of distance on the caliper from the spoke. That remains to be seen. I just wanted to get this short video out to show you what's going on, and I will be getting back with you guys soon. Thanks for watching.